Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for checking us out. If you're following a low-carb keto diet or ketovore diet, then you've probably experienced cravings for soft, savory traditional wheat flour bread. For many of us, bread was commonly used to make sandwiches. Whether it was for a classic PB&J or a hearty deli sandwich, bread served as the outer layer that held various fillings together. Toasted bread was a popular breakfast option. Spread with butter, jam, or other toppings, it provided a warm and comforting start to the day. But, unfortunately, just 2 slices of traditional bread contain 28 grams of total carbohydrates. This pretty much makes it off limits for those following an ultra-low carb way of eating. But those cravings are about to come to an end, because in this video, we'll walk through a delicious low-carb keto-friendly version of traditional carb-laden bread. All that, coming right up. Today, we have a fantastic low-carb, flourless bread recipe that's not only delicious but super easy to make. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 4 large eggs, half teaspoon of salt, half cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of beef gelatin powder, and 2 teaspoons of monk fruit sweetener. Let's begin by softening the cream cheese. Pop the cream cheese in the microwave for about 30 seconds to soften it up. Now, in a medium mixing bowl, we'll combine the softened cream cheese, our 4 large eggs, half teaspoon of salt, and half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Make sure to mix it well, taking care to dissolve any chunks of cream cheese. We want a smooth mixture here. Next, add 1 tablespoon of beef gelatin powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of monk fruit sweetener to the mixture. Mix everything thoroughly until it's well combined. Line your air fryer tray with parchment paper and spray it with a high smoke point oil, like avocado oil. This will help prevent sticking. Pour the mixture onto the parchment paper, spreading it evenly. Use a wet rubber spatula to smooth the top surface of the loaf. Set your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or 163 degrees Celsius, and bake for 25 minutes. Once done, let the loaf cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. Slice the loaf into half-inch thick slices, and there you have it, your delicious, low-carb, flourless bread. And last but not least, enjoy. This bread is perfect for sandwiches, toast, or just on its own. And if you decide to slice the loaf in half horizontally, you can use it as a hoagie roll for a tasty deli or Philly cheesesteak sub. Yum! My mouth is already starting to water. So that does it for today's tasty low-carb, keto-friendly recipe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Have a great day.